I'm about to tell you what Jung discovered. And if you really hear it, this might genuinely be the last video you ever need to watch. Here's the secret. You have never experienced reality. Not once. Not for a single moment of your entire life. What you call reality, the people you meet, the situations you encounter, the world you navigate is not happening to you. It's happening through you. More accurately, it's being created by you. Jung called this the psychic reality, and he considered it more real than what we call the objective world. Think about this carefully. You've never touched raw reality. Everything you've ever experienced has been filtered, processed, and interpreted by your psyche before you became aware of it. Your unconscious mind, with its complexes, its shadows, its buried memories and repressed desires, sits between you and the world like an invisible film projector. You think you're watching life. You're actually watching a movie your unconscious is constantly creating. And here's where it gets uncomfortable. You're not just the audience. You're the director, the screenwriter, the casting agent. You chose the actors. You wrote the scenes. You determined the genre. But you forgot. Somewhere along the way, you forgot you were making the movie. You sat down in the theater of your own creation, looked up at the screen, and started believing it was happening to you. This is what Jung meant when he said we live in a psychological simulation. Not a cosmic matrix, not a spiritual illusion, but a deeply personal construction that we mistake for external truth.